Here is a Ford Courier fridge conversion. Fitted to this vehicle is the Courier Xarios 200. Also fitted to this vehicle is our lightweight kit insulation. This is lighter and more efficient than traditional fiberglass insulation. It also comes with LED lighting for great load area illumination. All our conversions are built in-house for better quality control. All our Courier refrigeration equipment comes with an optional 3-year parts warranty for extra peace of mind. For more information on this and other conversions we have carried out, please contact us at our website listed below.